Worm.
snake.
You make it like a worm.
I want a snake. I want a snake.
Okay.
A snake.
Alright.
You want a snake?
Alright. Can you put eyes on it? Can you make eyes with your knife? Can you do? There you go. Isn't it fun?
Cat.
Hmm?
Rolla.
What, you want to make a snake? Or what, a worm?
A snake.
What do you want to make?
Snake.
A snake. Alright, roll it like that. Make it long, see? Press it down and just rub it back and forth.
Look at her. Good job. Show Nana your snake. Ooh, you kitty. Now make a snowman.
No, I'll make a
Alright, here, if you want to make a snowman, let's make little balls and we'll stack them like a snowman.
Alright, a big ball.
Okay. Alright, that'll be the base. Now we need a stomach. Here we go, let's see.
I can't make a snowman.
Here we go.
I can't make.
Yeah, you can. Alright, see, there you go. Snowman. There's snowman.